Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoying this video. Let's go. I've been going through my comments lately and stuff like that, and I've been seeing that y'all have been asking me a question pertaining how do you get dreads with a sponge? That's really what I'm here to show y'all. And before I get into it, there's different type of dreads with the sponge. You know what I'm saying? There's normal dreads like these where you do with the sponge, then eventually you just get them twisted, or freeform. You feel me? Where you just hit it with a sponge, don't touch it, put a few products in it, wash it a couple times, but let your hair lock up, and then just start forming it, and eventually you get to freeform dreads. But look, let me break this down for y'all how to do it. Okay, so look, the sponge that I used back in the day, I honestly don't know the name of it. You feel me? I don't know. So really just get a nice, decent sized sponge, some decent holes. Like Neutered, this is not a sponsored video, but Neutered, this is a good brand too. See, these have the small holes, but of course they come with some bigger sized holes. And, you know, just grab you a sponge and twist your whole head in one direction the whole time. One direction the whole time. Don't switch it up. Just do the whole head like this, right? The whole head until it's up to your satisfaction. And now the products that I did use, I used the leave-in Cantu conditioner. That, you're gonna need that. That's a good one right there. The Eco Styling Gel. That's your best friend right there. That's gonna be your best friend. The Eco Styling Gel, the Cantu leave-in conditioner, the sponge. That's it. But also, when I was doing my hair, I did all the methods though. I did sponge. Someday I'll switch it up. I clean it up with a brush, switch it up, clean it up with a towel. I just did all of them. But the sponge, it's more effective if you want to think about it. More effective. Really, all you really gotta do, first of all, before you even start your stuff, get into the shower. Make sure your hair is wet. Wash your hair. Might as well wash your body at that. Stank ass niggas. Once you get out the shower, dry out your hair, but don't dry it too much. Make sure it's like, you know, damp just a little bit. Just a little damp, you feel me? And then get your get your Cantu gel. Get your gel, Cantu gel. It should be, it comes in like a green bottle, a black bottle, orange bottle. It's different type of bottles. But me, the Eco Styling I use, they came in a green bottle. Get your Eco gel, rub it all through your hair. Rub it all through your hair. Man, shoot, you can even put it on the sponge. You can like rub it on the sponge. Then after you got it all through your hair, nice and even, just get your sponge and go to work on that hole. You might have to sponge for a minute too to really get it to where you want it. Cause you know, it's your hair at first. Your hair ain't gonna like take shape as soon as it touches your hair, you feel me? So you gotta work into it. Press hard, not press hard, slightly, unslightly. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It's not gonna happen fast. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Then after you get done sponging it and stuff like that, get your Cantu conditioner, rub it in your hand, and leave-in conditioner too. Get the leave-in, because if you don't, then it's still conditioner, but you gotta wash it out, you feel me? You gotta get your hair re-wet, which isn't always bad, depending on how wet you get it. But you know, get the leave-in conditioner so you can just put it in and go about your business, okay? Get the leave-in conditioner, rub it all through your hair. This is what's gonna keep your hair moist and soft. Not dry out your scalp too easily. You feel me? Not dry your hair out so fast. It's gonna keep it nice, moist, soft. It might even put a little shine to it. It's gonna put a little shine to it. Just rub it all through, rub it all the way. Now, if your hair is long enough, and it's spiked up enough, or any of that matter, when I used to sponge my hair, what I do is I used to shake my hair every day. Just so it really get the shape of it, you feel me? That's really it for this video, to be honest with you. Not really much going on. But this has been TJTV. I do hope y'all found this video helpful for y'all hair enthusiasts trying to get y'all hair the way mine used to be. But at the same time, I hope y'all enjoying y'all day. Please hit the like button down below. Share this video on all social media sites with your friends, with your family, with your friends' friends, with your friends' family. Just do it, man. Just do it. Let's get up there. I'm trying to grow with y'all so we can bond and, you know what I'm saying? Stay connected. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right there next to the like button. you might as well hit the subscribe button. And then while you at hitting the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell. Why? So you won't ever miss a video. You won't miss a video ever in your life. And it's free. Who don't like something free? It's free. You click it one time, no payments, you get my video all life. For your whole life. You get notified every time I post a video. So let's just say I'm trying to post a video on the sneaky tip. Just a sneak a video in there. But if you hit that bell, ain't no sneaking. You gonna still see the video regardless. You gonna see it always. And also in the description is my Instagram. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram, _CHEESINAHH. That's my Instagram. It's also in the description. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, stuff y'all want to see. I like all the support. Some of y'all already be DMing me, and I do like the support. Thank you, thank you. This been it. This is TJ TV, and I'm out.